Dear friends, Anthropology optional has been one of the most rewarding optional subjects in the last decade. Do you know toppers have been continuously scoring 300 plus in Anthro? What has been your score? Today, a student faces three major challenges, especially while preparing for Anthropology optional. Number one, it's a scoring subject, but you are stuck somewhere around 260 plus marks. Number two, due to overt focus on general studies, lack of dedicated time for your optional. And number three, lack of unique and differentiated content. At ForumIAS, we will resolve these challenges. We know one size fits all approach doesn't work. And that's why we have come up with two distinct programs for your optional preparation. These are the Augmented Test Series and the Optional Answer Writing Focus Group. Now let's dive into the details and see what these programs have to offer. The ATS is beneficial for students who have completed foundational study of the subject. These tests simulate exam-like environment for anthropology. These tests also give expert evaluation and targeted feedback. Also, intense value addition to content in terms of case studies via discussions. The Optional Answer Writing Focus Group bifurcates the syllabus via 36 micro-segmented tests, which makes it quite suitable for anthropology freshers. You can evaluate and assess your preparation by answering 3 to 5 questions in every test. Also, post-test discussions are there to boost your conceptual clarity. Moreover, dedicated mentorship by faculty is available for both the programs. They will help you understand feedback, clear the roadblocks, and keep you oriented on your goal. So start early and join today for a dedicated, differentiated, and consolidated preparation.